Hi, did you know that you can actually get subscribers without posting any video? This is amazing. I found out recently that I could actually get subscribers without making no video. So for the past few weeks, I have been a little bit busy. I have not had enough time to create content, like long form content. But this is me coming on today with proofs to encourage you to begin to apply this, right? What am I talking about? Community post. Look at this particular screenshot up here. I was able to get over 50 something or 60 something now. I was able to get over 60 something subscribers just from posting community posts. I began posting consistently every day in the beginning of February. And since that time till now, this is the number of subscribers I've been able to get from my community posts. In fact, in the past few days, I have not had the time to actually create a video, but I have been posting daily. Like I don't even come to post every new day. I schedule my post and then it's giving me subscribers. This is a new hack. You can, apply this on your channel and begin to get subscribers if you're looking for that. Another good thing about posting consistently on your community tab is the fact that you build a community. YouTube do not only share that community post, right, to your subscribers alone. They share it to people who you do not even know, who you've never come across at all. It creates a community. That was called community tab, right? It creates a community. I get to communicate with people via my community post. Another good thing about your community post is the fact that you could still post your video link, right? You could make a post and link your video either in the comment section or directly in the post that can lead people to watch a particular video. I have been able to see views, just by posting on the community post. I made a video, share the link in the video, and then people got to watch that video because of the fact that they saw it on the community post. This thing I'm sharing with you, you know it, but you are not exploring it. This is me coming to tell you that you should actually explore it. There are chances that your post can go viral. There are chances that your video can actually be watched because of your community post. Now, the third amazing thing about community post is the fact that it is easy to create. I will show you how to schedule your community post so you don't have to show up every single day, right? You just schedule it and then when it's time, it gets to run. I also got to find out in this period that there's a time that is good for community posts. When I first began, I was posting in the morning and this is the result I was getting 20 something likes and all of that. But when I began posting 6 p.m. in the evening every single day, my posts get to run 6 p.m. in the evening. I began to see this kind of results. So yes, I have experimented it and I can tell you that it's working. You too can go ahead and apply it. Let's get right into it.
In fact, let me begin with showing you how to check for your post if it's actually getting subscribers and the impression is given to you. You head over to your Chrome browser and type in YouTube to the desktop site. Then it opens up like this, right? When it opens up like this, you head on to the channel you want to check for. Then you go down to the analytics, click on that. It's going to open up like this. You're going to scroll down and click on see more, right? When you click on see more, it's going to open up like this. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and change the time, right? Change the dates from last 28 days to 365 days. So I can see what has been valid for the last 365 days. Then under the breakdown on content, you're going to click on content and then you're going to look for posts, right? You see where you have posts here, click on post. When it opens up, where you have the metrics, you're also going to click on that and go and toggle on post subscribers. Click on post subscribers to toggle it on. Then you'll be able to see how your post has been doing. If you have subscribers on your post and the impression that you have, right? You're going to be able to see it. It's going to open up like this. You're going to see the impressions that you have from your post and how many subscribers that you have gotten. And at this time when I was recording this video, as you can see, I had 52, but now it's about 60 something, right? So this is it. This is how to check for it. When you successfully check for your if your post is doing well and the impression is given to you, as you can see, my own post impressions are giving me 35k 611 views in the last 365 days. Post likes and all of that. The post like by impression rate and all of that. So like I said, posting on your community tab is actually very important. It can actually help you get subscribers and get views. Now let's move on to exactly what I do with my post. I head on to ChatGPT. I go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give me a 30 days content community post calendar, right? A 30 days content community post calendar. When it gives me that, when it gives me results, I just go ahead and copy that. Then each day I take each to my Gemini. I take it to Gemini and then I paste them there and ask Gemini to expand on all of them and save it in my Google Notes. Now go ahead and download Google Notes on your phone, right? Download Google Notes on your phone, and then when you have downloaded it, it saves the what's it called, the community post for each day, right? It saves it directly to your Gemini, to your Google Notes. So when you have it like this, all you just need to do is to come here, copy the one you want to, post. Go ahead and copy the one that you want to post, and you take it down to your YouTube app itself. Open your YouTube app, and then go ahead um to make your post, right? Come here and then just paste in what you've copied. Then when you have public, you click that to schedule the post. So as you can see, you can schedule for every day. You schedule the post. And for mine, I use 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. I use 5 p.m. as my time because like I explained to you earlier on, I noticed that when the posts I make in the evening, they usually do better than the ones I make earlier in the day. So go ahead and then another thing again I should point out is when you're making the post, ensure to use pictures. The posts that I make using pictures get better engagement than the ones I either do a pull for or I just post them randomly without any pictures, right? Then you go ahead and do this for all or just go ahead and schedule them. Now, if you just begin doing this newly, you might have some restrictions. When I first started, I could only schedule for 7 days, right? But by the time when I got to 7 days limit, I will notice that I could no longer turn on the schedule toggle. So I went on to ask Chance why that was happening. He explained to me that it could be a restriction just to avoid spamming. Since I also said doing this in recently. So when I think after the second time when I now started scheduling again, after I did the very first 7 days, I noticed that I could now, continue scheduling for all of the days. So just go ahead and schedule for the entire 30 days, and that is it. When you're done scheduling, just go ahead. You're not doing anything. Just come back when you have comments. Come back. Ensure to always respond to comments because that's what keeps the community alive. That's what keeps people coming back to, leave comment again. When you respond to somebody's comments, it gives them this feeling of, oh, this person values what I said or what I think, and then they go ahead and respond to other posts that you make. So always ensure to respond to community your comments on your community post, right? This is it. It is this simple, it is doable, and you too can do it. As you can see, I got subscribers from it. So what's the excuse that you have? Why do you feel you cannot get subscribers? So go ahead and schedule your post and let's see how you're going to be able to pick up from there.
If you have watched to this point, I am really hoping and trusting that you got value for your time spent here. Please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you said implementing this on your channel, tell me, have you seen any difference lately? What has it been like for you? Let's get to interact in the comment section. Go make that community post right now. You do not need to set your camera for it. See you in my next video. For now, do have a blessed time. Bye for now.